Hi, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. This is the Puma basket platform that introduces MovinsEdition. It's a new product. Enamel-based Puma platform sneakers is a new product with only one. The basket platform is inspired by the grunge fashion movement of the 1990s. With its high outsole combined with a suede upper, the basket platform is a collaboration between two iconic movements in the sneaker and footwear industry. The Puma women's basket platform sneakers are a fresh take on an iconic style in this patent iteration. It's a navy-colored enamel upper with a thick outsole sneakers with meticulous stitching. Like platform shoes, the outsole is high, so it will be effective for height. Unlike body patterns, outsole is a bit plain. This is the new product from the MovinsEdition that only has one product. It's a product from the Puma basket platform. This product, recommended by MovinsEdition, is a thick outsole sneakers with a navy-colored enamel upper and meticulous stitching. Drawing their inspiration from the grunge fashion of the 1990s, these trainers are built with premium leather uppers, fresh gum platform outsoles, and finish with attention-grabbing gold-tone logo branding. Have a good one.